Hello everyone. In previous class we have discussed about the adaptation in animals in the polar region. Today we will continue with the adaptation in animals to the tropical rainforest. Now what is tropical rainforest? Where it is located? Tropical rainforest is located near the equator, so the climate is generally hot and wet. It rains heavily during the monsoon. This kind of climate supports plant growth and hence dense forests have a dense green vegetation that supports the life for different plants and animals. Some of the animals that live in the rainforest are elephants, tigers, dinosaurs, bears, monkeys, birds, snakes, frogs, and many more. You must be familiar with these animals, but how do they survive in the rainforest? Let us see. All the animals living in this area has the different adaptive features. For example, monkeys have the long coiled prehensile tail, that means a strong tail which helps them to jump from one tree to another tree. Another example is in chameleon. It is arboreal, that means most of the time it spends its life in the trees. It has large eyes, long sticky tongue, and capacity to change the color, which is known as camouflage. That helps them to protect themselves from the enemies. It also has a strong gripping power to hold themselves on the branches or the wall. If you look at the birds, how do the birds move? They fly. And what helps them to fly? Forelimbs in the birds are modified into wings. The bones are hollow, filled with the air cavities that makes the body light, and it has the strong flight muscles that also supports them in flying. Adaptation is elephant. Elephant is a very common animal. It has a large fan-like ears to keep themselves cool during the hot climate, and the large trunk and feather-like legs that help them to support their body. Now, some of the animals that live in this region have the very good sight of eye and smell so that they can get their prey very easily. As well as so this kind of features also helps them to protect from the enemies. The animals living in this region have a great competition among themselves to get the food. So they are well adapted to protect themselves, to feed themselves, and to reproduce their young ones in this kind of region. Now students, you can also make the album of the different animals that are found in different region. That is your task. Thank you.